guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install Git 2.550 on this Windows machine. To download the software in Google search box, right there Git, then go on this gitsm.com site. Click this. Then you can get their latest version 2.550. So click on this install and here click here to download. So this is now Git is downloading exe file is there. And here you can see Git as standalone. This is portable. Winget command you can use and download GI. Several free commercial GI tool available for Windows platform. And this here you can read the book for Git. So this here status you can see this downloaded done. Simply you need to click on this exe file. Come from Jones. Let's click on yes button. You can see Git and thereafter simply you need to click on next. This is the destination next. Here this is for icon, desktop icon. Click on next, 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 and enable. Now here you can see installing this Git. So Git is installing in your computer. Currently this is extracting the file as well as installing. The Git this done here. Let's uncheck and click on finish. So get that installed. Thereafter opening their command prompt. And if I write there git --version. So 2.550 that installed. You can use this git command. Git -h for help. Here you can do this merge commit. This on. And this here GUI git base you can use. ls you can see list of files. So this is how we can do the installation of Git on your Windows. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.